fried brown onions, ground almonds, and soaked ground poppy seeds. Incredibly soft and juicy chapli kebabs. No gram flour, no cornmeal, and they hold together perfectly.
Let's get started. First, add green chilies, garlic, and ginger to a chopper and finely chop them.
Now add beef to the mixture and grind it into minced meat. The mince should be very fine and soft. Make sure the mince is very finely ground. That's the secret to chapli kebabs that don't fall apart. Now, add the fried brown onions. Next, ground almonds, then add about 2 tablespoons of finely ground, soaked poppy seeds. Now add the spices and seasoning. A bit of crushed red chili, ground dry coriander, a spoon of national kebab masala. Add turmeric, garam masala, black pepper, 1 egg, and a few spoons of lemon juice. And don't forget, add salt to taste. Everything really well until fully combined. Keep running the chopper until everything is fully blended into one uniform mixture. The better the mixing, the better the kebabs, and they definitely won't fall apart. Now add chopped onions, fresh coriander, and green chilies. Give it one final mix to bring all the flavors together. Shape the kebabs and fry them slowly on medium-low heat to lock in all the flavor and juiciness. One bite, and your guests will be hooked. They won't just love them, they'll keep coming back for more. Smiling face with heart eyes fire. If you enjoyed this unique method of making juicy, flavorful chapli kebabs, don't forget to like and share. And for more delicious, full of flavor recipes just like this, make sure to follow.